Hi, welcome here on my channel. I'm Umarts, and this is a new video of modeling and sculpting polymer clay. Today I will create a new kind of super hyper realistic phoenix or chic phoenix with polymer clay, with COSCLAY. Phoenix are wonderful birds. I love so much their story, their feather, their forms, their poses. It is an amazing bird. I really hope you will like my new video tutorial, and I will just remember something. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Links below. Are you ready? Let's go! Let's start with the list of materials: aluminum foil, paper tape, wire, and the unique and inimitable COSCLAY. All the materials you will see all the materials in the information box below the video. We create two balls with aluminum foil, one larger and one smaller. With the wire, we go to join them. For a better result, you have to wrap everything with the paper tape. Oops, I also got hurt. Be careful always, please. Our armor is almost ready. Oh my god, the blood. It's time to cover the entire armor with the COSCLAY and another little bit of aluminum foil. At this point you have to create the holes to create the eyes. In this case I choose two black glass spheres. At this point I was terrified of this amorphous creature staring at me. I was about to let go. With another little piece of COSCLAY, I begin to sketch what will be the beak. With this tool called Sgarzino, I begin to better include the eyes and to do some small details. With the translucent COSCLAY, I thought about creating the semi-transparent membranes of newborn birds. I've been studying birds of prey and their chicks for weeks. I was not happy for the beak, so I remodified it so much time. The phoenix have a sort of bony crest on their skull that makes them look almost like pterodactyls. And now I'm sketching a kind of backbone to make it more realistic. All very realistic, isn't it? So if we're going to be fair, this little chick must have a hole for his needs too. Oh no. Yes. Oh my god. Now I model two legs of Phoenix, inserting the wire with the paper tape inside and to make everything as stable as possible. Oh my god, it seems like... yeah. The thing I most love to do on my creation is the texture, the details that make the creation unique and perfect. Therefore, it is very important to focus on the pose. Finally, it's time for the wings. Well, sketched wings. When the chicks are born, they have these things really a little bit sketched. Oh yes, I redid the hole in my Phoenix. I was not happy with the hole I made before. With the deco, translucent and dark cosplay, I created a mix to recreate the newborn feathers. The small feathers have a sort of membrane around them, and I couldn't help recreating it as it should be in nature. Oops, I forgot the ears and the holes in the beak for this creature to breathe. I also forgot the toe of the paw that goes behind. Oh, well, I will add it later. All I will do now is to add a lot of details. Follow me in the video. Hello, it's me! I decided to color this Phoenix chick with polychrome chalks because I needed colors that were not too strong. Once cooked, they will be perfect. Here we are, I finished it! In 10 years of my creative life, I've never ever created something so really realistic. I'm really proud of my hands in this moment. Some of my friends are artists and not artists, so my Phoenix chick, and they say, oh my god, it's impressive. It's a little creepy because it's so real. So the target was this, the impressive and creepy kind of style. Thank you so much for being here to watch the entire video. Thank you. If you will love my English video, please let me know in the comments below. Thumbs up and subscribe on my channel and activate the bell, it's really important. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok and Facebook, link below. And after all, I say always some Napolitan words. Acchiappateville. What do you mean with acchiappateville? It's a kiss, take the kiss in Napolitan. Acchiappateville. Bye!
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless.